how to fix music on Facebook story not showing. So let's first try to create a story right around here and let's try to put right there on music. So I'll head over and add this a story and then you can head over and click on this music option in order to add a music. So for example, let's try to search in here for something. So you can search in here for a specific actual music that you want. Like for example, if you want to search for Apple, and if there's something that you're looking for and it's not there, this means that the music is not yet added in the Facebook library. So there's a other way to fix that. So instead, you can head over and edit the particular music onto a video editor and onto your story and upload it as a particular video instead of using it on the Facebook story option. So you can just wait for them to add that particular music on your Facebook. So that's how you fix music on Facebook story not showing. Hope we helped.